Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a video on a Thrive haul of some things I ordered from Thrive. And it's been a minute because I ordered them and went out of town and didn't have time to open it up. And I hope I didn't order anything that was perishable. But we have the box here. It is heavy. I do know I ordered a bunch of teas, but that's all I can remember. And some of that barbecue sauce I like. They sell it at the grocery store, but I always order it from Thrive. So let's see what I ordered, because I don't remember, and I'm not going back and pulling up the invoice, because it would be too much like right. So I just show you guys what I got. I like doing hauls. Haven't done one in a very long time. I do have a discount code in the description box below. I think you get $10 or $15 off. It's an affiliate link, so just want to put that out there. So you'll get $10, $15. I can't remember what it is. And then I get one. I get it too, and you'll get I think you get a free gift with your first order. I think you get a free gift with every order if you order a certain dollar amount, because I always get something free. But anywho, let's see what we got. All right, I bought some of these shiitake noodles. I wanted to try them because they are low in carbs. Let's see, serving size, 1 serving per container. Serving size, 1 package. So for 1 package, it's only 4 grams of carbs. And I miss pasta so much. And because I'm diabetic, I don't eat a lot of pasta. I actually haven't eaten none. I can't remember the last time I ate some. I'll probably eat some for Christmas though. I'll probably make a little small macaroni and cheese. But I bought, and I never even had these. And I bought, apparently I bought 4. So I have 4 of these. I guess they're chef stable. They're organic, gluten-free, plant-based, ketogenic, grain-free, non-GMO. So, yeah, store in a cool, dry place away from heat and light. After opening, cover unused noodles with water, refrigerate, and use within a day. Do not freeze. So, I have 4 of these. So, let's keep it moving. Why are they different though? Oh, they are different. So I got 2 of each. Didn't realize that. So both of them are shiitake noodles. No, they're not shiitake. Shirataki noodles. One is angel hair, because they're 2 different colors. I just noticed. One is angel hair and one is fettuccine. I might cook these tonight. One of them, and see. If I do, I'll make a video on it. I ordered some wholesome, organic, fair trade molasses. I use molasses in my smoothies. Molasses is good for, it has a lot of potassium. So if you have hypertension, high blood pressure, potassium is good for that. So I like to eat foods that's high in potassium to keep my high blood pressure down. I don't have high blood pressure. Keep me from having high blood pressure, because I used to have it. And I don't anymore, because I cut out salt. I got some avocado oil. This is the Thrive brand. I like this. The only thing is it goes very, very fast. So I don't use a lot of it, but I use it when I'm not using my grapeseed oil. I do that last. I got some Thrive goji berries. This is for my smoothies as well as my my brain. This menopause and this age thing is getting to me. Yogurt. This is for my yogurt. Goji berries also have a lot of antioxidants and health benefits, so you have to read that on your own to figure out if it's something you want or not. But I like them in my smoothies as well as my blueberries. I like blueberries in my smoothie. Yogurt. I have these organic pineapples. These are freaking delicious. When I open the pack, I try not to eat them all, but sometimes I do. And they're good. And they're organic, and the only thing that's in them is dried pineapples. They don't have no sugar added to them. That's why I like them. Because a lot of times you look at them, the packages, and they have added sugar. So I try to stay away from added sugar. I try to stay away from corn syrup, all of the above. This is spicy mustard. This must be my free item because I don't know why I would order this. I eat a lot of spicy mustard, but probably a free item. I don't know. I might have ordered it. Like I said, I don't remember what I ordered. I ordered 4 packs of black beans. I have dried beans, but you have to soak them. I prefer, you don't have to, but I like to soak them 24 hours before I eat them, and I do not have time sometimes to do that. Sometimes I just want them right then and there. So I don't like canned foods. So I've been buying these that's in the bag, and the sodium is very, very low. When you buy them in a can, they have a lot of sodium. The sodium on this for the whole container is just 10 milligrams. And on the can, because I do have some canned, but I have canned cannelli beans, because I bought a bunch of these sometime or another, and they have 140 grams per serving, and the thing has 3.5 servings. So you do the math on that. They have way too much sodium in canned foods. I just really don't prefer them at all. But I do buy them sometimes because I like to make the taco soup. My cousin gave me the recipe for it, and I make it, and it's so good. So I buy the beans for that. So 4 packs of black beans because I love black beans. I bought a whole bunch of, oh, what is this? Before I go into that, I don't know how I'm buying this. What is this? Oh, protein. This is organic protein warrior blend, and it's plant-based protein. I don't know why I bought this because I have issues with protein, so that I don't. So I'm gonna try this one, but I usually get the one from Sprouts, and I really like the one from Sprouts. This is the one that I usually use. It is the salted caramel, and it's so good. Oh, if you have a Sprouts, you have not tried this, try it. I'm just going way off track because I'm supposed to be doing a haul, keep showing y'all other stuff, but whatever. It is what it is. If I don't like it, I'll put cocoa in it and just use a bunch of fruit. But it's for one serving, it's 1 scoop. It has 14 grams of protein. I am going to do veganary for January because I'm going to try to go back to being vegan, plant-based. Not going to say vegan because I do leather and all that. I'm going to try to go back to eating plant-based starting in January 1st. Well, maybe not first because I'll be on vacation, but after I get back from vacation, I'm going to do veganary. I ain't got time to be doing that on vacation. My travel buddies, friends, family gets mad at me because I be wanting to find vegan spots and nobody wants to eat that, and they cuss me out, so won't be doing that. Teas, I got lemon ginger tea. I like the Thrive teas because when I travel, I always take my own teas with me when I travel to anybody's house, out of town, wherever. I always have tea bags in my suitcase, in my purse, and most of the time, and this ain't good, but most of the time they come in paper. These come in plastic, and they don't break, and you don't have any issues with them because they're in plastic. It's empty. I have 2 of these because I drink a lot of teas, and I put them in here. But these are the Thrive ones. They come in the plastic bag. Plastic ain't good, but I recycle. So that's what I have, and I prefer organic teas. Thrive has a lot of them. You can get a a lot of organic teas as well. If you have Kroger, they have organic teas, but Thrive has a better price on them because once you buy so many, you get special discounts. So I like getting them from there. So I got lemon ginger. I got just ginger by itself. I like ginger tea. I also bought throat coat. Oh my God, if you guys have never tried throat coat, when you get sick, you get a sore throat 2 times. You drink it twice, gone. Throat coat. These are organic. I don't know what's in it. All I know is works. My cousin told me about it when I got the Big C. And I took it and it stopped my throat from hurting because I had a bad experience with that. What's in this? It has licorice fruit, slippery elm bark, licorice root extract, marshmallow root, proprietary blend of organic wild cherry bark, fennel fruit, cinnamon bark, and orange peel. That's all it says. So, slippery elm, I guess maybe that's what works for it. I got some herb books, and I'm growing herbs. I'm going to grow more next year. I'm actually going to winter sow some. Anyway, I got this common. I drink this a lot at nighttime. I think it's more like chamomile tea, but I'm not 100% sure because I never read what's in it. Yep, chamomile. Chamomile and lemon balm, peppermint, English lavender flower, and licorice root. So, and I grow, I don't grow chamomile. I tried, it never came up. I grow lemon balm and peppermint, and I drink it, but I don't have enough to last me for a year. Spearmint tea, I grow this too, but I don't have enough either to last me for a year, so I supplement it with this. And I like this brand as well as the Thrive brand because they're both organic. Now I got a bunch of stuff in this. I don't know what it is. I know I did order some. Oh, I know what this is. I did order some barbecue sauce, but I think this is chicken stock. I ordered for Thanksgiving, and then I decided to go somewhere else for Thanksgiving, so I didn't cook. But I ordered some organic low sodium chicken broth. I only use low sodium because the regular one has so much salt in it. I buy low sodium or no sodium at all. Usually buy no sodium, but this is low sodium, and it has 130 grams per cup. And this is 4 cups, so that's a lot. I think I bought 4 of these because I always buy 4. Even at the grocery store, I buy 4. When I'm cooking holidays, because I use greens, green beans. So, yeah. So I'm sure that's what these 2 are. And then the other ones probably are my barbecue sauce. Oh. Yep, 1. 2. So I got 4 of these. Must be my by 4 of everything. That's it. That's these barbecue sauces. These are the Primal Kitchen. I think that's what they're called. I think, if I'm not mistaken, because I love this barbecue sauce. Yep, it's the mango jalapeno barbecue sauce, no artificial sweeteners, and it's organic. It's keto and paleo, no HFCS, high fructose corn syrup, or cane sugar. So I don't know what it's sweetened with. Mango, apple cider vinegar, coconut aminos, Himalayan sea salt, yellow mustard, vinegar, mustard seed, turmeric, paprika, tapioca starch, natural smoke flavor, organic black pepper, organic chipotle powder, ancho chili powder, onion powder, dried garlic, organic garlic powder, organic jalapeno powder. So I guess the only is sweetened with the jalapeno because it has no sugar in there. In there at all. The carb is 6 grams per serving. Serving size is 2 tablespoons. So, but it's no sugar or syrup, so it's natural sweetened. So if it spikes my blood sugar, it'll go back down. It won't stay up long because it's fruit, and fruit does not spike because it's natural sugars. It doesn't spike your blood sugar for long. But this is some good stuff on some barbecue ribs. Just saying, need to hurry up and cook them before the end of the year get here. Got a few weeks before I stop eating meat, and I got a freezer full of meat. Well, not full, but I'm gonna eat fish, seafood, for a little while, because that's how I weaned myself off of it. Last time I went vegan, I cut out all meat except for seafood, and I ate seafood, cut out dairy, because dairy breaks out my skin, and I've been eating non-vegan yogurt. So now my cheeks are broken out. I got little bumps everywhere. And then I have another one. So that is it from my haul. Let me make sure. Yep, that is it. So, I don't know how much I spent. I'm not going to go looking for it to put it on the screen because that's too much like work. And ain't nobody got time for that. But, if you have not subscribed to Thrive, it's a good market where they donate for every subscription. They donate a subscription to a needy family. So they do good. So that's why I like ordering from them. Because I like companies that do good things in the community. Yeah, so that is it for my Thrive haul. Again, link below for a discount if you like one. It's an affiliate link, FYI. And yeah, thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.